Perfformiad dewr yn i'n meddwl. Y ffordd aethon ni'n mynd ati i just peidio gael y meddiant hanner gyntaf a really ymosod nhw gyda'n siap ni. Ac yn anffodus, elio'r ail gol ar ddiwedd yr ail hanner, ond o'n i'n hapus iawn gyda'r perfformiad.
The last clean sheet we had was a Stana in the European Conference League. So yeah, it's not a great record, but you know the main thing is first and foremost we win football games. You know, secondly we like to keep clean sheets, but yeah, it is good. It's, you know, last season we got a lot, and you know, a little bit disappointed in how our return of clean sheets. You know, as a team, it's certainly not down to the goalkeeper or the defence, or it's the whole team that, you know, defend the goal.
I think it's glad that we can get that nailed on of top six. That's always the aim going into the season. I think we've been fortunate to have that, I think, in the last 3 seasons now. So I think it's a credit to the place where the boys are at and the coaching staff and everyone at the club for getting that again for another season. And I know they'll be ready to kick on and ready for the playoffs at the end of the season.
How are you feeling about going into phase 2 now?
Yeah, you know, we've got to take that confidence. You know, we're back top of the league now, and you know, we want to stay there. We've got 10 games now in the league, and we want to go and win them all and hopefully win the league again.
Alex, we understand that was your final game for Cardiff Met. Where are you off?
Yeah, so I'm heading down to Brighton and Hove Albion for a coaching role in the academy. So it's a great opportunity for my career, and that's something I'm looking to do long term as well. But obviously, hanging up the gloves for the time being. Difficult decision, but I think I'm really excited for the opportunity as well. So it's a tough one, but looking forward to the new challenge.
Theoretically, in 2.5 seasons as we stand now, we've had 7 league defeats, you know, in what, 85 games, whatever it is. So, you know, overall it's not a bad record, and we'd like to have a better record. We'd like to be further ahead than what we are. But the Conference League took its toll on us. You know, there's a lot of travelling. You know, I can say it now, we're out, we're done and dusted. We can be honest about it now, and we can say, you know, it certainly took its toll out on myself, you know, and the staff, you know, and the players. A lot of travelling, a lot of training, a lot of big games, you know, 14 games in European at a really high level, you know, and then playing the domestic games in between that as well. The lads have been a credit to the football club. Everyone, we've needed everyone, you know, and we've all stuck together, and we've got ourselves in a reasonably good position going into the split. We've got 10 huge games left that full stop we need to win 10 them.
Yeah, llawn balchder heddi bod ni wedi cael lle yn y chwech uchaf, achos dwi'n ddim yn rhywbeth rwydd i wneud.